a baddie. Like, my nails look good, face looks good, hair looks bomb. Like, I look so cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing the glow up challenge. And so the first thing first, I need to do my nails. My nails look busted, guys. I broke this nail when I went to twerking class with my friend. I just need like a new re-up. I'm thinking of doing a different shape. I don't know if I want the spike. I think I want spike. I think I want stilettos. And then I need to get my toes done. But I did a polish change and I get shellac on my toes. White shellac, of course. So yeah, we're just gonna head over to my nail shop. So before we go and get my nails done, this video is sponsored by Project E Beauty. They sent me a LED mask. I've actually been using this for a little bit. I think I've used it for about 2 weeks now, and I'd like to do this whenever I need like some extra boost to my skin because it does come with hyaluronic acid. I'm just gonna show you guys how I did my skincare for this day. Before I do anything, I normally put on my contacts. You guys always ask me where I get my contacts from. My contacts is from ttdi.com. It's the color cream brown. And then I'm going to pull out my Project mask, face mask. It has 2 little inserts in there so that whenever you put the mask, it could be safe on your face and it doesn't drop and you don't have to use your hand. Then I'm just going to use my AM and my PM moisturizer by Bodyography Skin. And I'm just going to apply that to my face. Then I use the hyaluronic acid on top of it. I'm sure you're supposed to do it backwards, but I've been doing it this way and it's worked for me. And then I just put on the mask. It's set to the blue mask, which is really good for acne skin because you guys know that I used to be really acneic. And I just put it on my skin. I let it sit for about 20 minutes. And that's basically how I did my skincare for that morning. And then I went to go take off my wig and put on my black wig so I could go and get my nails done, sis. I hope you guys enjoyed this glow up challenge. So I arrived at the nail shop. I ended up getting a pedicure because I just was like, why not? You know, since I'm gonna have to do a polish change and I wanted my cuticles like cleaned up and cut down. So I ended up getting a pedicure and I also got like a nice sugar scrub massage. And you know, it's nice to pamper yourself since we're doing the glow up challenge anyway. And then I just got my fill-in and I kind of kept the same shape of my nails. Okay guys, I'm back home. I look busted, but my nails is completely done. Let me see if I can show you guys. The nails is done, fresh, equipped and everything. Then my toes are done and now I'm just about to do my hair next so I can be a baddie again. The hair I'm going to be using for this glow challenge is from Annabelle. They sent me 24, 22, 20, and I think an 18-inch frontal. And guys, this frontal looks the fuck good. And I knew it was going to look so good. So, yeah. And then I just wanded my hair and I used little 2-prong clips and or you could use bobby pins. I find bobby pins are cheaper if you do not want to use the 2-prong clips. As you guys see, I have plucked that frontal. It looks so freaking good. Like, this frontal looks so freaking good. The knots looked so good. This hair literally is one of the best hair I've received in a while. Like, I am really shook and I got so many compliments on it. Like, bro, this hair is bomb as fuck. I also colored it to jet black because I just feel like jet black, hello, like I don't like 1B hair. I love jet black. Like 1B hair is just like almost, you know. So basically all I did was just kind of curl it I basically did do two prong clips like around the perimeter, and closer to the front I did the pin curls, and you guys gonna see the result of the pin curls. Next time I do another video, I think I'm gonna do pin curls all over because it turned out so beautiful. Like, you guys don't even understand. Okay guys, so I've done my mask and my skin feels amazing. I took off my other wig, the blonde wig, and then I put on the wig that I curled that I curled earlier in the video. So I'm gonna do makeup for you guys now. So, you know, to glow up, you gotta make sure your makeup is looking good. I laid my baby hair. I'm still gonna lay it some more on camera. I actually tried the new Esha glue to apply my wig, and I actually think this is gonna be like one of my favorite lace glues. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows, and I'm using my Benefit Goof Proof Brow in number 5. Focused. I just started to close my window because it was making noise. I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I'm gonna take the P. Louise eyeshadow base and I'm gonna apply it. So I'm gonna be using like my holy grail of palettes because we're trying to glow up. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna use this big, I'm gonna use like this big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna grab this brown color. I think it's called Silk Cream. And then I'm gonna just do one eyeshadow because I'm trying to glow up and be simple AF. I'm gonna grab the color Hunts and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Funny enough, I got this idea from Sunny actually. She actually told me about this, and I was like, why not? I'm gonna apply some more red. It looks like this eye is like ready. This eye is not, so gotta catch this one up. I haven't had black hair in a minute actually. I've had my blonde hair for so long. The switch up might be good. This switch up might just be good. I'm gonna do a wing liner, so I'm gonna be quiet because wing liners are scary to me. So I'm gonna be using Makeup Shack with Evelyn. This lash is so pretty. Got my tweezers. I got this tweezers from the beauty supply store at Sally's, and it has like black women right there. It's so nice. So I'm gonna apply the lashes. I feel like when you just beat your face, you glow already. Like, that is the glow up in itself. I can already see the glowiness coming. I can see it. I can see it brewing. The weather is so bad. Like, I feel like I've been probably depressed for the past weeks because of the weather. Because the weather has just been so horrible. Like, what the heck? Been no sun, no type of sunlight. It's like, dang, who do we have? Well, God, that's who we offended. I'm gonna be using my NARS foundation because I'm out of my NYX. I don't know why the NARS one always makes me look so orange. I hate it. My NYX is just so perfect. It's finished. It's finished. And then they don't have it in stock at Ulta. Like a double whammy. I am using the Fenty concealer in 385 and I am blending my face with this beauty sponge. I'm listening to music, guys, because this is normally what I do when I get ready. I just listen to music and beat my face and look like a baddie. Second on himself. I'm gonna use the Fenty contour stick this time. I kind of miss my Fenty. I want to bring her back out. Gotta do that jawline. You know we don't got Kai Bella yet. Second, let me stop. Kai Bella really do be helping snack people's faces up. So I really like the Fenty contour better. I don't know, it just gives me like a subtle contour. Cause my Black Radiance, it might just be a little too harsh. I feel like the contour stick by Fenty is more of a neutral tone, and the Black Radiance one is like a red undertone. One who hates you. Alright, so let me pause my music before I get copyrighted or whatever, and then you're like, bitch, you thought you were gonna get paid for this video? The gag is you're not. So I don't know what lip. Dude, my hair looks so fucking. I look so freaking good. Like, let me calm down. Let me respect myself, guys. Let me respect myself because I look freaking good. I have hair all over me. This pink girl's turned out really good. I'm giving like Mami Wata vibes. I bio. Please, Bobrisky, who? Bobris, let him stop before he starts with the galabanti. Start dancing. Oh my god, look. I'm gonna put on chestnut lip liner. Starts to get bright. I need to turn on the aperture. Let me turn on this aperture before people be like, oh my god, Susan is white facing. She wants to be white. Oh my god. Outrage. I'm so mad. They be so mad. It just be so mad. I drop a video. Thumbs down. Oh, I fucking hate this bitch. Thumbs down. And I'm like, oh, you poor baby. I'm gonna do a mo. I feel like I want to do a mo. I'm gonna do a mo on my lip. But I look wow. I went from looking like to looking like a snack daddy. Alright, let me stop. What lip do I want to use? I think I'm gonna use those of colors. I'm gonna listen to music while I get ready. So anyways, this is my look. I feel like a baddie. Like my nails look good. Face looks good. Hair looks bomb. Like, I look so cute. I haven't had black hair in like a long time. I've been wearing blonde like this entire time. So like to have black hair and still look, you know, beautiful, makes me happy. But yeah, my lip is MAC lip liner in chestnut. And then my lip gloss, I can see the cloud coming back up. The lip gloss is on repeat. Yeah, my hair looks so good. All I did to lay my baby hair is I used a foam wrap and I used like my brush, well my edge brush, and then I just kind of laid it. And this lace is a bomb. Like Annabelle snapped. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. My eye makeup looks so simple. So this is what I would normally do, you know, to glow up, to look like a baddie. All that. Now we can add a little highlighter on our shoulder to look like the golden goddess herself, but yeah, it looks good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.